So here's the PCB hotplate slightly bigger edition, which is version 2 of my previously made PCB hotplate project. The size of hotplate, which is approximately 99 millimeters by 98 millimeters in total, and the heating area, which is approximately 65 millimeter by 98 millimeter, were the most significant changes in this project. The schematic of this project consists of three parts or section, which are the following: buck converter circuit, XIAO microcontroller and OLED setup, and the coil with MOSFET as switch setup. This new hotplate is powered by an XIAO M0 development board and features an SSD1306 OLED display that shows the current temperature of the heating coil. XIAO was chosen due to its small size and the ATSAMD21G18 microcontroller, which is an ARM Cortex M0 processor. This XIAO development board was made by Seed Studio and it's part of their Arduino XIAO family. The board is small, measuring only 20 mm by 17 mm, but it is powerful with a 32-bit 48 MHz ARM Cortex processor, 256 KB of flash memory with 32 KB of SRAM, and variety of communication interfaces such as I2C, SPI, UART, and USB. Here's an important question. Does this project work? Yes, this project was a success. We first apply solder paste to this test board before placing all the components on it. Then we place this test board on the hot plate and it reflows in less than a minute. The maximum temperature recorded is 207 degrees Celsius, which is high. If we replace the power supply with much higher current one, we can get more temperature readings in less time. If you need any help regarding this project, DM me or leave a comment. Peace out, and I'll be back with a new project pretty soon.